What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got some new home decor I'm so excited to show you. I did a little bit of home decor shopping lately because I am gearing up to do a handful of room makeovers for my channel and on my house. So I needed some little accent pieces. So just after Christmas, I went out before the crazy snowstorm hit here in Utah. So I went out, I did some quick little shopping because I knew I was not gonna be leaving the house for a minute. So I snagged some really beautiful and wonderful things I'm so excited to show you. I also was sent this bag, I will show you guys, which is so generous. And I really needed a new handbag anyways because I only have one that I always wear, and it's my brown Coach one. Anyways, that my husband got me like for a birthday. Anyways, I'm gonna open that on camera, but let's get started. The first items I wanna show you guys, I went to Home Goods and I am needing to dress up because I wanna do I'm gonna show you guys my living room makeover. It's just about done. I need to find a couple more accent pieces for my coffee table. So I'm on the hunt for some coffee table books and a few little like glass. Anyways, I don't want to tell you all the beans, but I'm on a hunt for a couple items. So I went to Home Goods first because whenever I'm shopping for home decor, I always start at the more affordable shops first. Whatever I can't find, I work my way up. So, however, having said that, I went to Home Goods and they were fully stocked with books. Like they had a ton of books this trip. I didn't get any footage because it was like crazy weather and I was trying to hurry. Anyways, I found this book. It's called Gardens of the Garden State. I absolutely love gardening. I love plants. I have a big green thumb and I just love them. So I have a big love for like gardens and whatever. This book was like $19.99. It was super affordable, but I really love it because I like taking the sleeves and the covers off of the book, and I really love how vibrant this green was for either my living room or the coffee table, or maybe in like my glass cabinet. But I love the title of the book. It's in this really pretty like champagne gold. So I thought that would be very pretty to display. Also, here's the thing. I also don't like getting books just for display. I actually like getting books because I actually like to read them and look at them and like be and feel inspired. But you guys, this book is, look at this. Are you serious? If this doesn't want to make you just move and buy some farmland and start your own garden, I don't know what will. The book is absolutely stunning. I think what I also really love about it is the designs of gardens. I mean, just look at how beautiful. I would love to have a fountain in a garden. It is so beautiful. There's actually a place here in Utah that looks like that and it's stunning. A lot of people go there for like family photos. Anyways, I am so excited to like sit down and like really look at this book and get a lot of good gardening ideas, because once spring hits, we're going to be doing our landscaping out in the front and in the back. So you best believe I'm going to be using this book as inspiration and education and coming up with something really beautiful for our own home. So I'm very excited for that book. I also picked up this green moss from Home Goods as well. This was $14.99 and I love the moss. I thought this would look really nice in this decorative vintage bowl that I have on my coffee table. So we will put this in, we'll fill it up a little later in this video and we'll see how this looks. I'm hopeful for that. I'm hopeful because I can go pull in a lot of the greens around my living room. Okay, so next up, I went to Highland Gardens, and they are a local like home decor and garden center. They have a lot of great plants, but because it's winter, their plants aren't really happening. So they do have a beautiful selection of like kitchen and bath and home decor. So I did do a little bit of browsing at their shop, and because in the spring we're gonna be doing the kitchen. So I wanted to pick up some little knickknacks for the kitchen to style those countertops. This is a Stinson handled baker. This was $14.98 and I love the look of it. It's this really beautiful gray with like a rustic black edging to it. I thought this would just be a really gorgeous decor piece to have on the kitchen counter. I also see myself putting like you know, like seasonings, mixing things in here, maybe putting a spoon in here, but I don't know, this one is a little too pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna be using it too often, but I thought this would be a really nice, gorgeous decor piece to have styled on my kitchen countertop. So I did pick up that little beauty. Then I've also been on the hunt for some coasters. Any coasters that I find at like Home Goods, they have like some like etching in them, or they're like a little cheap looking. So I've been on the hunt for some beautiful, like very simple marble coasters, and you guys, I found them at home at Highland Gardens. These were $22.98. I thought that was a great price, but they're just, I love the natural wood holder, but just look at these beautiful coasters. Like, I absolutely love them. They're nice and they're big. Comes in a pack of 4. Probably should have got 2 sets, one to have on my coffee table, one to have on my dining table, but I need these for my dining room, so I thought these were perfect, and yeah, it's just perfect. I love everything about it. Okay, so then I was like scrolling down Highland Gardens. I think maybe in the spring or like when the weather's better, I'll take you guys and I'll go do like a shop with me at Highland Gardens, because they just have so many beautiful things. And they also carry a lot of vintage items. So when I was there, they had this vintage bowl, which I thought was super unique. This is definitely up my alley. Some of you guys may think this bowl is absolutely ugly. I totally get it. I totally understand. No offense taken. But this bowl is a vintage, this was a found cane basket. It's a vintage basket. It says this item is a found vintage object. Each piece is truly one of a kind and comes with its own history. You will notice variations, unique markings, small imperfections. These attributes acquaint to the product's notable beauty and character. So yeah, it was only $22.98, which I thought was really cheap for like a vintage piece. Anyways, I'm not complaining, because I thought this was such a beautiful and unique bowl. So I'm thinking about maybe having it on my kitchen counter, or probably styling it in a glass cabinet, but I just thought it was so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be styling this I'm probably going to be styling this in my dining room glass cabinet, because it's just so unique and it's so cool. Definitely me, right up my alley. And then the next 2 little decor things I got for the kitchen are some really nice, like look how cute these are for the kitchen countertops. I've been on the hunt for some like nice kitchen brushes, and I really like the bristles of them. They're very, you kind of see like dust or something coming out of it. But these are just, you hand wash them only. This is a beech wood brush in the color natural. You only hand wash these. You don't put these in the dishwasher or anything like that. But I just love how cool and unique they are. And so I thought these would be really great to pair up by my kitchen sink. So you guys will definitely see these in some upcoming videos that will be featured on my channel. So those are the little knickknacks that I picked up from Highland Gardens. Of course, I went to my other garden center and I picked up some new house plants. This one is, let me see if I can take it out of the pot. So this is the black goldfish plant. This was $14.95. I actually really loved this plant. I thought it was really unique. I love that it's not like a bright green. I mean, on camera, it definitely looks brighter than it does in person, but I also like that it looks fake, but it's real. And the plants, I love the style of the leaves, so I thought this would be a really great plant to have in my kitchen or maybe on my desk up in my room. And then to pair it with a pot, I found this rustic terracotta cylinder in the color moss gray, and this is so cute. I love the shades of dark green, so I thought this would look really cute paired together like that. So I got this plant. What's nice about having these pots is you can swap them out, you can change out the plants, you could really do whatever you want with them. And then I picked up another house plant. I picked up this fern, which I really wanted to get. This is the Maidenhair fern fern. This was $14.50, and I just love the look of this fern. It's so fun. It's like very whimsical, and I love that. So I picked up that fern, and then I also picked up this other pot as well. I loved this one. I really loved the detailing. I love the beveled edges on it. It's totally my style. And this is a cement pot with the dot rim and stripes in the color tan. This pot was $22. So to give you guys a little price point, this is what it looks like, and I thought it's so cute. And I also thought this might be great to also have on my kitchen counter and put like wooden spoons or like rolling pins, something like that. So we'll see how many ways this pot can be used in my house. But for now, this cute little fern is going inside. All right, this other item I want to show you guys, I found these gorgeous black leather stitched Ottomans. And you know when you like see a furniture piece and you kind of do a double take? And you're like, ooh, like that, I like that. That was the situation. That was the feeling I was getting with these Ottomans. And I've really, like this whole past year, I've only been buying things that I'm like, I love that. If I love it, I will buy it. If I like it, I don't buy it. Okay, I have to love it, because I've noticed with myself, if I don't love something, I end up getting rid of it. And then it's just a waste of money in the end. So my new rule, moving forward in life, when it comes to buying home decor or whatever it is, if I don't love it, I don't buy it. So I was like browsing down the aisle, I saw these stunning. They're a little bit heavy, but I will show you guys. I'll try and show you. Look at these Ottomans. What? I'm doing a very bad job showing these on camera because they're quite big, but I want to show you guys the stitching. Look at this thick leather. Oh, these are beautiful. I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna give you guys a better like clip of these Ottomans in my, so I originally was thinking to have these like at the end of my bed in my room because I'm adding a couple little accents with black, but it's just, when I put them in there, it was just way too much furniture, and I was a little bit bummed because I just bought these. But these leather Ottomans are $126. So then I was thinking, well shoot, I needed something for my entryway. And then my little light bulb idea went off. So then I put both Ottomans. I picked up two of these. These were $120, and these are leather and metal stools. You guys, these look amazing in my entryway. And I'm not gonna give away too many details because I'm doing an entryway makeover. Literally, I'm doing so many things in my house, but I will show you guys a quick little clip of how these stools look in my entryway. Okay, so next I want to show you guys a handbag that was sent to me from TIKONE Official. They carry a bunch of like designer bags, designer handbags, and so they sent me one, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. And I already opened the box because I couldn't wait, but they sent me a Louis Vuitton handbag. So they also provided a discount code. I will put that code down below in the description box in case you guys want to do a little handbag shopping. There's a code down below for you to use. I did not open this. Opening it the wrong way. Okay, so here's like a little receipt. This is what the box looks like. But we're gonna just pull this out. Also sent a nice little gift bag. Thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how stunning that is. I don't even have a black handbag. Okay, this is gonna get so much use. Oh my gosh, this is stunning. So they carry a bunch of different designer brands, and so yeah, Louis Vuitton, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. This is absolutely stunning. I love the print, love the gold. I really needed a black handbag. So thank you, TIKONE Official, for sending me this gorgeous bag. I'm just gonna open it. Oh my gosh, it smells new. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at this bag. You You guys, yeah, I will be wearing this all the time. I literally needed a black handbag so badly. Okay, this is absolutely stunning, the quality of this. Wow. Here are the straps. This is the gorgeous bag. I will link all of their info down below so you guys can shop their stunning handbags. Yeah, hi, I will take this. Thank you so much. I absolutely love it. I'll put all the info down below so you guys can shop these stunning bags. Okay, I want to show you guys how this moss looks in this green bowl. I'm hopeful. I think it will look good. So let's go put this into the vintage decor bowl on my coffee table. Okay, so after putting the moss in the vintage bowl, I don't know if I love it because one, it has a smell. So I think this might be real moss. I can't tell if it's real or if it's fake, but it has a smell. Also, I can see my kids having a heyday if they get a hold of this. So I don't know if this is gonna stay. I do love the papa green on the black coffee table in the vintage bowl, but I don't know. I'm gonna sit with it for a day. I don't know if this is gonna stay. I have a feeling I might swap this out for some candles or something. So yeah, we'll see. I don't know if this moss is going to stay. I do like the papa green though. I don't know. You guys let me know down below in the comments. Would you keep the moss? Would you swap out the moss? If you do swap it out, but what would you put? Let me know what would you put instead down below in the comments. If you guys missed it, don't forget to check out my office makeover down below. I absolutely love how that space turned out. So if you guys want to see how I upgraded my little awkward nook to something beautiful, don't forget to check out that video down below.